Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. And today we are going to unbox this, the Superking triple booster set. And I have to say right off the bat, this is the best triple set that ever came out. Yep, no doubt about it. Well, not all parts are okay, but at least the ratio of good parts to non-good parts is very high in favor of the good parts. So first, let's take a look at the box. Here is Drum Koryu and his Tempest Dragon. The other one is Naked Diabolos and Curse Satan. And side, yeah, upside down. More pictures. Takaratomy, only buy the original. Superking. And at the back, you can see the combo. Tempest 1A, which is not new part, a recolor of the one with Super Hyperion. Charge Mel, new part. They say it's the heaviest. Actually, it's 16 grams, and Charge sometimes weighs about 14, and Bullet I think it's 15 or 15 to 16. So yeah. And Curse Satan, if you don't have the Curse Satan from Random Booster Volume 21, then this is a good chance to get it. Although it's not the anime combo, hey, better something than nothing, right? It's also not the same as the anime color. It's a good thing they made this they gave this the Satan chip rather than a different combo like in the random booster. Oh no, I mean the triple booster set of GT where they gave slash Hydra. I don't know. They didn't make it a recolor of slash Valkyrie. So yeah. And there's 1D, purple one. You could, if you have the other Curse Satan, you can swap it because that one has a green 1D. Arrow Dash used to be rare, I guess. But not competitive. It's light. Hold Dash. This is something that I really need. Out of all this, except this. Because I'm collecting dash drivers and I don't have this. It came with Grand Valkyrie, limited edition Grand Valkyrie, and it's expensive. But good thing it's also put here. It was also placed in this triple booster set. And next is Naked Diabolos. Naked layer. Color of this is really nice. Actually, it's the best looking naked. That doesn't sound good. It's the best looking naked layer. Oh, you know what I mean. And then Goku, a very hard weight for GT to get. So it's another plus factor for this triple booster set that they put this here. It's the heaviest of the layer weight next to the Diabolos chip, because the Diabolos chip is like layer weight and a chip combined. That weighs about 15 grams, and this weighs about 10 grams. If you add the chip, which is 3 grams, that would just put this into, if this is 10 grams, it would just be like 13 grams. So the Diabolos chip is still heavier. Next is 11. Nothing much there. And then wave driver. I want this driver as well because it's big and it's tall. First I thought I would put this with replace the Mobius driver and put this with variant Lucifer, but we'll see where it fits in best. So here's the gimmick, the Bound and the Awakened. Later I'll show you how it works. And at the bottom, more words and things. Made in Vietnam. Do not eat. Warning. You might get poisoned or choked. Okay? Don't eat anything from this box. So let's magically open this. And there they are. I skipped the opening of the back part to save some time. And before we proceed, as you can see, I've already applied the stickers. Let's check the suggested combo where most of it are not really good, but there they are anyway. You can pause and screenshot that. This one I'm really excited about. This is gonna be so good. I'm telling you, this is gonna be my favorite out of all the Super Kings, just because it gives so many options, right? It has so many modes, and look at the shape. Oh my gosh, so many things you can do with this. Can't wait. September 19. This would probably arrive in the Philippines at end of September. So yeah, that's roughly at least more than 1 month more to go. 45 days, roughly, maybe. And now let's proceed to these guys. Now you're probably wondering where are the 2 discs. Don't even bother. Don't even waste your time. There is no need for those 2 to appear in this video. No reason. Okay? Just a waste of time. Don't bother with the disc. Useless. So, let's just look at the parts that matter. And here they are. I will make a separate video for this one, for Tempest Dragon, because there's a lot of things we have to talk about. Although I'm so excited already about it. I'll make a separate video for this. So we're gonna move it aside where it can't be seen. Make sure. There. Okay, so let's focus with these 2. Funny, I don't have an entire full combo here, but let's check out the parts first. This is wave driver. It's tall, it's chunky. Oops. As you can hear, it's heavy because of the noise it made. Let's compare the height. Almost same as Mobius. Let's compare the weight. You always have to wait for the 00 or else it won't work. 8.3, 7.7. So yeah, it's heavier. Just by looking at it, you already know that it has LAD. It doesn't necessarily mean that it would have the best LAD. And I can tell right off the bat, this is not gonna be balanced. It's gonna be wobbly. Just because how wide it is and how small that small tip is. That's so many small. You see that? I wonder if it's legal to awaken this, like have that flat. I think the performance would be better. So hopefully, let's wait for other Beyblade experts and Beytubers to awaken this. But if you keep on using it, eventually that will be flat. I think this will have a better performance. Now the shape of it reminds me of Defense with this round thingy majig outside the wide part. And then it also reminds me of a fusion between Jaggy and Destroy Driver because of this ridges. Yeah, Destroy Driver on this part, and this is like Fusion Driver. It has that small tip, so it's basically like 3 or 4 drivers in one. Good thing about this is it's tall. You can probably use this on oh yeah, here I prepared this because this is the moment I saw this, I knew right away I was gonna put it here right away. This needs tall driver. It scrapes like crazy. Ooh, looks good. Look at the all black bottom with the pink bunks. Yeah. Ooh, spaceship of Frieza. I don't know if that would improve the performance of this, but yeah, that looks good on that. If we put it on, I don't know, that's hard to remove. Dash drivers. That's that. So wide, so good looking. I like it. So that's pretty much about the driver. It's okay. Again, not much testing have been done with this, but just by looking at it, I know it's gonna be fun. It's gonna have certain abilities which is gonna be useful. And if you're trying to build a tournament deck, you have to have options, because if you have other drivers that share the same ability as your go-to drivers like XT Plus and Bearing, you would want other supportive drivers so that you be able to use those drivers and the combos which you need them the most. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move to this, the Naked Layer. Naked Diabolos 2, Diabolos Chip 2, and the Goku 8. It's a defense layer, GT defense layer, although in the box it says it's balance. Probably because this is a balance driver. Again, characteristics of this are like a fusion of different drivers. So yeah. Sometimes the type of the Beyblade is not really more on the layer, but more on the driver that they use. Just like this one. This is classified as attack just because it has an attack driver, but this is a defense layer, or defense ring. This is probably the best naked, yeah, the best naked layer ever. The color, I didn't put the stickers because I'm not gonna to be using this. I'm gonna be selling it, so I'm just gonna take the Goku. Yes, I'm gonna take the Goku. I'm not gonna sell the Goku, I'm just taking the Goku. So yeah, this is the best naked layer, looking naked layer. This would look good on a Black Paradox. Yeah. So the main star of this combo is the layer weight. Not the driver, not the naked parts. Naked parts, not those. This baby right here. Shoot, just 1 star. Hope you guys already know the purpose of the stars. Basically, it's less metal. So there's less metal there, making it imbalance. If you have 4 less metal, it makes it balance. Or no star would be a heavier layer weight. So this is the heaviest layer weight. Heaviest. Let's see. Oh, I have to compare it with something else. It weighs... Sorry I had to make you wait. 10.5. This, I forgot the name, I'm just gonna put it right here. 8.7. This, the Diabolos chip and weight combined is, I think, around 14. There. So it's still heavier if you combine the chip and Goku. It's just 13.6. So yeah, this is still the heaviest. Just a little for GT. So yeah, heaviest and this. So in case you're using in your deck like 3 or 2 GT layers that needs this, unlike Master and Lord because they have their own weight. If you have Judgment and Zwei, then you have options to use this. You're definitely gonna use this. One will go to Zwei, one will go to Judgment. So yeah, you have to have both of this because you can't use 2 Diabolos chip anyway. So putting that aside, over there where you can see it. Oh yeah, I need this. And good part, really good part. You know how much this costs? Like, this costs more than the entire Superking triple booster set. That's how rare this is. This is how hard it is to get this before. This alone makes this entire set worth it. But there's more parts. We're not even touching Tempest yet. So yeah, good Takaratomy for putting that there. Oh, since I removed the disc, you probably want to see this on a combo. So instead, ta-da! Again, I like my combos looking good, color coordinated and stuff. So there, I think wall suits it more. That looks really good. Kind of hesitant on selling this, but yeah, for now, that's the combo. Well, let's move to this one. Curse Satan. Curse. A lot of people are spelling it with ED. It's Curse Satan. Good thing they made a Satan chip on this rather than putting a different chip. And I really like the silver metallic core chip. I think it's the first one that's not transparent, clear plastic. Yeah, overall this is a defense layer. Don't mind what the description in the box says. It's just basically because of the driver. This is used for defense, okay? Defense. Comes with 1D, a purple one. The original one has a green 1D, so if you have both, you can swap each 1Ds. And these roll as rolling things should. Meant to deflect attacks. Or, like, yeah. Deflect or absorb or negate it. Yes, negate it. Neutralize it. It's pretty cool. I like the color. If you're having a hard time getting the original combo and color from the random booster 21, which is more expensive to get, to surely get one, you have to buy the entire set, or look online for someone who's selling it double the price. So yeah, it's a good thing this is included in the set, makes it more worth it to buy. And this one makes it even more worth it because I'm collecting dash drivers and I don't have one, because the first dash driver, I think, version of Hold came with Grand Valkyrie. It's expensive, it's a limited edition Beyblade, so yeah. It's like Volcanic, only shorter, 3 spinning plate. It's fun to use. This is fun to use. It can be competitive depending on the combo, but it's not really mainly seen in tournaments. It's really fun to use. So this also lacks discs and frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to find something which is color coordinated, because this one I'm going to keep, this one I'm going to sell, this one I'm going to keep. Matching the colors and the shape or the purpose of the Hurricane disc. But then I came up with this 7 cross and 10 proof and the green atomic. Oh, I'm not going to use this. This is not for that. This one is the least matching in colors. It's too light, but since it's round and wide, it's the closer to the purpose and function of Hurricane. And the 10 disc is heavier. 10 disc is more all-rounder. It's good for attack, defense, and stamina. So there. This one, the color matches even better, and matches even better. The problem is it doesn't align much with the ring. It aligns with the 1D because of the 4 sides, like square, but not with the ring. So for now, let's just use this. The 7 disc is probably the best disc for stamina. Ooh. Yeah, best disc for stamina. I'm talking about these discs. They're all called forged discs. Like Blitz is forged. It's also forged disc, but the thin, the single disc, yeah. The good ones you have to have is 7, 10, 0, and 00. That's it. Then disregard the rest. And then you can have Blitz, Sting, Around, Vanguard, Convert, what else? Hurricane, yeah. But with this type of disc, you just only need 4. 7, 10, 0, and 00. Remember that. So yeah. Oops, sorry. I don't have a universe. I have an atomic. And the universe started with one atom. At least it's still free spinning and it's good for stamina. Atomic is the best driver for stamina. You can time the spin of it. I've timed it for 2 minutes to 30 seconds. It beats XT Plus and Bearing, but Bearing and XT Plus beats it with LAD. So yeah, and that's it for these two. Watch out for the video review of Tempest Dragon. If you're wondering where I got this, you can check the description below. I got this from Earl Meg Toys at Shopee. Really good guy, good transaction. Check out his store. And for other Beyblade needs, you can also check out Rump Hobbies. Description down below. Join our Facebook group and Facebook page for more Beyblade stuff, Beyblade videos, Beyblade everything, Beyblade, everything Beyblade. Okay, bye.